Today we'll talk about wonder, freedom, and self-knowledge. A view of literature shows the gap. Many discussions that treat freedom, self-knowledge in rational and systematic ways without highlighting the role of wonder. Deegan, Scott, Giswa, Campbell, and Shugurova connect wonder with meaning and reflection. Others like Escudero alias, Burley and Ping, and E.D. stress how wonder transforms education and life. Yet, what is often missing is how essential wonder, as Jasper described, is the foundation of both freedom and self knowledge. So I ask, is wonder just an emotional reaction, or it is very ground where freedom and self knowledge arise? My answer, wonder is not just a feeling, but a way of existence. When lived out, it opens us to a mystery of life, and from this come authentic freedom and true self-knowledge. Let me share three claims. First, wonder is the starting point of philosophy. It prevents us from reducing life to a mechanic or science. Deegan calls it the desires of meaning, or Scott shows it protects the mystery of a human person. Second, wonder opens the path to freedom. Legiswa explained it breaks us from the routine. Jasper adds that true freedom begins with human arise above every other existence and live as existence. Begin open to transcendence. Third, wonder grounds self-knowledge. Campbell showed reflection rooted in wonder deepens our self-understanding. Shugorova links it in reflexive freedom, while Escudero alias highlights its power to transform life through openness. Burley and Ping show that wonder-based education forms people who live fairly and curiously, not just by rules. Now this three objection. One objection, wonder is too vague. The number two, freedom can be explained by rational system alone. Number three, self-knowledge is better explained by psychology or science. My first answer is it opens its strength. AD say it it pushes us beyond facts into a deeper meaning. Number second answer is system gives structure, but Jasper shows freedom requires existential wonder to awaken responsibility. Number three answer is that they describe parts of the South, but Burley and Ping show wonder-centered education shapes people who are not only informed but also free and self-aware. To conclude, freedom and self-knowledge are not achieved by reason or science alone, but through wonder. Rational reflection is important, but complete only with wonder. Without it, freedom becomes mechanical and self-knowledge shallow. With it, both become alive and transformative. And that's all. Thank you.